Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are at the Oakland Nature Preserve in Oakland, Florida, just outside of Winter Garden. We're going to be getting on a boardwalk and heading out towards Lake Apopka. The boardwalk is 2/3 of a mile each direction. It's a free park, but they accept donations. Apparently they have some live animals. They have a corn snake, a tarantula, scorpions, frogs, and toads. Which is pretty cool. Alright, let's continue and see what we can find. Little markings describing different types of trees and bushes. Talking about the yellow rat snakes. They're fairly frequent around here. They get up to 4 and 6 feet in length. If we're lucky, maybe we'll come across a snake today. Green anole running. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. He's running. It's beautiful. So here's a sign talking about the American alligator, their lifespan, what their diet is. And in the next clip you'll see there are 2 small alligators right at the tip of my finger sitting on a log. But you'll see that on another clip next. So we have come across our first 2 alligators of the day. Got 2 almost on top of each other, about the same size. One guy there. One guy there. Fairly small. Here's a bullfrog. Nice marsh area. We're still on the look for snakes, but we have seen at least 2 alligators. And we are to the end of this boardwalk. Take a look out on Lake Apopka. Okay. Lake Apopka, which This lake is massive. You can't really tell from this camera just how vast this place is. And we're just in the southwest corner of this lake. Of course, if anybody forgets, don't feed the gators. And there was another sign over here. Gators and snakes in the area. It's a beautiful boardwalk and pavilion here on Lake Apopka. Okay, so we're still continuing back towards the main parking lot. Just kind of poking around, looking for any critters that we might find, you know, snakes or lizards of any kind. Was a little birdhouse on this tree, but since fallen. And I believe a bird just flew out of there. Several people have told me that they've seen snakes in here today, but I've not seen one yet. But we'll keep looking. Check this out. It's a baby that looks like this will do it for this park, the Oakland Nature Preserve, just outside of Winter Garden. If you guys like to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comment sections below. And give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks guys, see you next time.